everyone, I'm Karina. In my hand, I have a piece of pig. If we try to bend it, you will notice it's incredibly rigid and difficult to flex. In fact, pig is often regarded as a potential substitute for metals in various applications. For instance, in the medical field, pig can even replace titanium for bone issue repair. Today, let's dive into the secrets of pig material and discover why it's getting such a high praise. So what exactly is pig? Pig or polyetherketone is a semi-crystalline, high-performance engineering thermoplastic. It boasts the highest strength-to-weight ratio among all thermoplastics, and it can withstand temperature up to 260 degrees. Pig can replace materials, glass, and other polymers, making it ideal for demanding applications. Pig has 11 standout features that makes it outstanding. Let's break them down. The first is good motionability and recyclability. Pig resin has excellent flow properties and thermal stabilities, allowing for various processing methods like injection molding and extrusion. It can also be repeatedly melted and reprocessed with minimal performance loss, contribute to environmental sustainability. The second is radiation resistance. Pig exhibits exceptional radiation resistance, maintaining mechanical properties under high doses of gamma rays. This makes it suitable for radiation resistance components in nuclear applications. The third is flame resistance. Pig is inherently flame retardant and achieves UL94 V0 without the addition of flame retardants. It has low smoke emission and toxicity, outperforming many low-smoke polymers. The first is creep resistance. Pig excels at resisting creep, which is crucial for applications under constant stress. Its semi-crystalline structure provides durability, extending its lifespan compared to other polymers and some metals. The fifth is toughness and rigidity. With high tensile strength and stress crack resistance, pig competes with alloy material, maintaining performance even at temperature up to 260 degrees. The sixth, self-lubrication. Pig offers excellent sliding properties, making it ideal for applications requiring low friction and wear resistance. The seventh, high temperature resistance. Pig can handle extreme temperatures with a glass transition temperature of 143 degrees and a melting point of 334 degrees, making it reliable in high pressure, high temperature environments. The eighth, hydrolysis resistance. Pig maintains its properties even after thousands of hours in steam or high-pressure water, outpacing other engineered plastics. The ninth, long toxicity, making it suitable for medical devices and food contact applications. And the 10th is chemical resistance. Pig is chemically stable against all solvents and strong acids, except the concentrated sulfuric acid, ensuring reliability in harsh environments. The 11th, fatigue resistance. Among thermoplastic materials, pig offers superior fatigue resistance, which is crucial for applications involving cyclic loads. So with these 11 amazing properties, it's no wonder pig has such a unique appeal. Let's talk about where it's making waves. In the automotive industry, it's replacing metal in engine components, bearing and seals because of its excellent wear resistance and mechanical strength. In medical devices, pig is ideal for sterilizable reusable surgical tools and dental equipment. Notably, it's the closest synthetic material to human bone, making it the top choice for orthopedic implants. In the electronic sector, pig is used in chip carriers, insulating fumes and connectors, playing a crucial role in the manufacture of high-tech semiconductors. Now let's be real. PEEK does have its challenges. Its high melting points of 343 degrees means you need advanced high-temperature injection molding techniques, which aren't always feasible for everyone. Plus, it's not cheap, so it's mainly used in specialized applications. Okay, now you have a comprehensive understanding of why PEEK can compete with metals. If you have any questions about material selection or design, feel free to reach out to RapidDirect. Our expert team is here to provide customized solutions just for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time!